Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel and I hope you're well. In today's video, I will tell you how to increase website traffic fast in 2023. So, a couple of things. This is a free bloggers community that you can sign up and get tons of traffic if you just started, or if you already have a blog, you can get extra traffic, increase your income from your ads or whatever, your products and your Shopify shop, get more traffic and also interact with other bloggers. It's called bloggerstrafficcommunity.com. I will put the link below so you can have a look. This is the homepage. You can sign up, it's free, and you can interact with other bloggers, and also you can collaborate with other bloggers and learn strategies. The majority of the bloggers sign up because they get a lot of traffic. So this is a blog. I'm just showing you here. It's free. It's good, to start 2023 with a strategy on how to get more traffic. And you really need to think on how much money you earn. And if you don't earn any money from your blog, then you need to change your strategy and increase your income from $1,000 to $2,000 what you earn. And think about 6 months, because you can go and increase your traffic the next 6 months. So that is your main thing here. It's important for you to have a plan in place for the new year. So this is a very easy community, and it's easy to use, and it's not really complicated. All bloggers love it. And you learn, you collaborate, you can get a lot of guest blog blog posts, so and other things. So this is the blog post, sorry. You can have a look through here. A couple of blog posts mainly for the community. And when you sign up a site, you get more information. You can have a look through here, the 5 blogging mistakes. This is the member page and resources. You can have a look through when you sign up here. It's free. You don't have to pay anything. It's really good, guys. You should try it. Try it and see what you think. And let's go. Is contact and login and sign up here in the end. You can have a look through. And in resources, you can see, as a blogger, what resources we have to grow our blogs. And there are some good resources, because you really need to kill it this year. So if you want to go a pin in the Pinterest group board, you have a request here. Submissions for latest blog posts here. You have a couple of design tools here, Canva, the Photoshop, a couple of others, WordPress plugins, very, very important, because a lot of people, they email me and say, oh, we don't know what plugins we should use. I have also mentioned a couple of videos in the previous videos on YouTube. You can have a look through. So it's really easy, and it's mainly for bloggers, and of course it's free again. Sign up and get a lot of traffic. You can get from over 1,000 page views. So it's gonna make a difference. And then the more you interact, the more you you know, sharing content, you get a lot of traffic straight away. So don't forget to try it, and keep an eye, guys. I'm planning more videos. At the moment I have only upload videos on Thursdays, but keep an eye, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.